How to fix Gmail verification code not received. So if you're facing a problem with Gmail verification code, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. Like if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your code might be delayed or might not arrive. So after checking your internet connection, now you can simply open up your settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and then tap on see all apps, and you can search for mail, Gmail, and then you can go for storage and cache, and then you can tap on clear cache. And after tapping on clear cache, your cache, you will remove all of that cache on your Gmail account, and then you can remove that from your background. And now you can open up your Play Store, and then you can simply search for Gmail. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your application. But even after updating, like if you don't have an update option, or even after updating, if that issue still exists, then you can remove that, and you can simply uninstall the Gmail application. Or you can if you can't uninstall it, then you can simply remove the storage. You can go for app info, and then here you will have storage and cache, and then you can tap on clear storage. And after tapping on clear storage, you can again log into your account, and then your account might be working. Or the last fix is to restart your device. You can simply hold on to that power button, and here on the upper right you will have restart option. You can simply tap on restart, and that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.